Innovation has to deal with good engineer, and every good engineer have to deal with linear static analysis, doing some iterations on the new design and rechecking the results. But as you know, when you need to pass a lab test on your freshly designed components, you don't feel so good. You dealt with linear materials, simplified geometry, simplified boundary conditions, but that's not real life. Introducing Structural Simulation Engineer, a 3D experience app to analyze complex behavior with lifelike materials, featuring Abaqus solver and simulate technology. It's a brand new solution for SolidWorks customers that want premium nonlinear capabilities at their service. In our daily job, we created some static analysis. We achieved good knowledge of our product, but now the next phase will involve a real test on a prototype. It's the perfect moment to leverage our existing model and go for a realistic analysis scenario inside Structural Simulation Engineer. To do this, we can just click in the connector panel and our model, boundary conditions and all the materials will be transferred to the 3D Experience platform, the Dassault Systèmes cloud solution. Now we want to check how components are interacting to each other. One great feature here is the ability to set up a general contact behavior based on Abaqus technology. This allows us to save time just defining the contact between all the components at once. In other FEA software, this could have taken many minutes to set up correctly. In Structural Simulation Engineer, with just one feature, we can take into account self-contact, sliding contacts, friction, and so on. Hey Alex, check this out! Wow, it's very cool! That lifelike behavior is what we need as engineer, as also we need a realistic material model and not just the bare elasticity modulus. Inside Structural Simulation Engineer, we are able to apply many complex materials models like Ogden or Mooney-Rivlin for rubber, Hyperfoam formulation for foam-like materials, plasticity curves for steel or aluminum alloys, and so on. Also, if you have the material information from SolidWorks, they will be transferred and you will not waste time re-inputting data. After the analysis, we have a complete toolset to create sensors, plots, and animation of our analysis. Nice and clean graphics help us identifying stress regions, plasticity zones, deformation, and the general behavior. We can also leverage the cloud path platform to share results with our colleagues and stakeholders. Okay, Alex, we had great time analyze those complex components, but what if we have to change the geometry in relation to results? No problem. With the 3D Experience Smart Link, I can change the model inside SolidWorks and I just have to click Save. This makes the whole process easier and faster. Another job well done. That was really impressive. We use our model and our setup in SolidWorks to get lifelike analysis in Structural Simulation Engineer. It was so easy to use the general contact and have such a realistic behavior. Also, we are now on 3D Experience platform with full access to the other apps. What if you can view results in virtual reality? On the cloud, this is just a click of a button. Let's put on the headset. Wow, that's add some real fun to our job as engineers. Now, why don't you try for yourself? Contact your local reseller and tell them you want no compromise on your virtual testing environment.